Good morning, everybody. So this is our last day, full day aboard Star of the Seas. We let the window down. It's in a balcony, but we all know it's a zhuzhed up ocean view. So I don't know if you can hear those waves out there, y'all. It's just a beautiful morning. It's not as humid. It's a slight breeze blowing. And we're gonna walk around the ship on the last day to see what's going on. We opted for the continental breakfast because we stayed up late and we knew we weren't going to be able to go to breakfast. So it's just your typical continental breakfast that's included, with your sailing. You just got to fill it out and put the tag out before 2 o'clock in the morning. I just got, they just give you pastries and cereal and juice and tea. So yeah, just another option for you, complimentary. Out and about now. We're gonna go get something to eat in the buffet, and then we're gonna just sit around, get a couple of drinks, maybe go back to the casino. I don't know. They took the money that we won last night, so we may not. Let's see where the day takes us. Y'all, they mashed potatoes, they real potatoes, and they are so good. Find out, if you're in a pinch and you need to find out questions for something, on the app right there, it has a ask us, you see it, ask us, so you just hit that, and then you can ask them, like I asked them, where can you go to smoke cigars? And this is the response they gave me. So if you need to ask somebody something and you just want to do it real quick, just go on the app, hit the ask us, put in your question, and like I said, I got a response in a matter of seconds. So that's cool to know. We asked for ice to be delivered to the room, y'all, and they gave us this cute little bag. It ain't worth nothing as far as you can see it's starting to melt. But I guess this is what they deliver the ice in now, not a traditional ice bucket. So yeah. We're at base camp, and I'm getting my pretzel bite. Yeah. And I'm getting a hot dog too. A hot dog. Yeah. So we're gonna get into these this hot dog. You see it? And pretzel bites. Let's see. That's good. Just like I like it burnt. Okay. Let's get into these pretzel bites, y'all. That's the cheese sauce. Pretzel bites are nice, tender, hot. The cheese sauce really don't have a taste. I don't really taste the cheese. I really don't. The bites are really good. So I'm giving the hot dog a 4 out of 5. I'm getting the pretzel bites a 3 out of 5. Only because the cheese, it's really not cheesy. Yo, I'm going down to the last place that I have not eaten complimentary here on Starter Seas, and that is Surfside Bites. Come with me. Here, Surfside Bites. Got my popcorn chicken, y'all, here at Surfside Bites. I got the churros, y'all, too. Those are the pizza toasties, y'all. Pepperoni pizza toasties. No, pizza toasty, y'all. Look up. Pepperoni pizza. You see the pepperoni on it? That's good. It's better than the pizza Sorrento's. Got that confetti cookie, y'all. Look at that. That looks so good. Get into the confetti cookie, y'all, but I'm gonna do it again for y'all. That is really good. I'm giving Surfside Bites a 4 out of 5. It's kid friendly and it's adult friendly too. So this is my final outfit of the evening. It's just a sundress, halter sundress with my gold shoes on. I have a black bag, and this is my final outfit on Starter Seas.
Go to bed at 3:30. Then 7:30, breakfast man came. Then I had to get up at 10 to go out the room. And then she wanted to go out everywhere. And I went to sleep at 3.
He know the last night. That's what we did. We did it the night before. We ain't gonna be up tonight. We did it last night. So I don't know why he fussed. He know that's what we do. He know that is what we do. It's the bread, y'all. This is the onion, and that's the pretzel. The pretzel. It's good. It's hot, so it's good. This is Q's ribeye, y'all. It look good. I hope it tastes good. Okay, I got the petite filet. I'm hoping I can eat this. I just got the smallest cut, so I'm hoping I can eat it because I've been eating a lot today. That's the loaded baked potato. We got cream spinach, and Q got the truffle fries. No, I'm good, just plain, thank you. So that's the medium well. Oh, look, it's perfectly done, y'all. That's good. Nice and tender and flavorful. So this is the cream spinach, y'all. I gotta be careful. I don't want this slipping down the throat. So they bought us the dessert menu, but we can't eat. We're taking the dessert to our room. It's too much.